Golden Knights and My Sabres got to get their shit back on track tonight. Let me see here. BGK. Damn. Tied 1-1. Damn. How old is Jack Eichel? Dude, he's so young. Am I going to any playoff games? No. I mean, I'm a fan, but the tickets were, at least what the guy who took me to the game, he offered me prices on tickets that was just like 30 grand or 40 grand or something. I was like, I like hockey, but not 40 grand worth. I'd rather go see Metallica if I'm going to drop 40 grand or whatever it was. Last night in the Flyers-Penguins game, there was 11 players. Oh my God. Was it fighting? Was it good penalties at least? What indicator is there next to price? You talking about this? Visible range volume profile? Visible range volume profile? On Bookmap? Session volume profile? SVP? Dude, I know Lars' sister personal assistant. Okay, hook it up. Let's go together, bro. Let's get a suite at the Sphere. We'll go half-seas on it. Then the Flyers scored, and all 5 Flyers are celebrating the penalty. That's fucking hilarious, dude. SVP looks different than yours. That's just gotta fuck with the settings, guys. Gotta fuck with some settings. It's like Coachella tickets this year being resold 10 of it. Dude, you know what's crazy?
Trade. Instrument. By 21.
Worked out. Oh, yeah, Otto. Are you doing anything for the Sphere lately, Otto? Gold is halted? No, it's not. What are you talking about, gold being halted? How? You had me for a minute. Gold is fucking insane right now. Wow, gold will fuck you up, dog. Jesus, it's so insane. Fuck. It hit a circuit breaker a minute ago? Where? Wait, where? Where? Velocity logic event, where? I'm looking. Like that? You had a velocity logic event there. That's it though. I mean, barely. Oh, this. Oh, okay. Wait, no. Yeah. Kind of, I guess. From here to here. That's it. That? Is that what we're talking about? Is it this? Oh. Yeah, I mean, velocity logic events are 10 seconds, so yeah. They're kind of hard to see sometimes in Bookmap. Or maybe it was this.
Order filled.
Trade. Instrument. By 23.
No. I don't know. You win. Yeah, gold is fucking crazy right now. Gold will fuck you up, son. Yeah, this is nonsense now. 27,000 is just holding. Wait, when are you coming to Speed Vegas? You guys won't be able to beat me. I'm sorry to say that. You guys have no shot. Literally no shot of beating me in speed. Like, there's a guy who came out and he's like, "Oh, I'm so good," and like, he lost to me by like 5 seconds. Like 5 seconds on a track is a lifetime, bro. National, how many hours of track experience do you have? Oh. I think in my lifetime, I probably have like 400 hours of track time. Talking about real track. Sim is, I think I probably have about 400 hours in my life. Real 5 hours, sim probably 500. Yeah, real is so much different though. Sim is whatever. Even like the crazy sims with the fucking motion and all that. It's a lot different when you're actually going, you know, close to 200 miles an hour, staring down a wall. What'd you drive, Mojo? Says you went to Speed Vegas. It's outrunning the cops. Dude, I would love, like, be the dopest thing ever to be in a police chase. Be the fucking coolest thing ever. Dude, I set the, I was the second best driver in the 296 challenge. I set the lap record for February and I set the lap record for March. I haven't been back in April. I never showed you guys the video, actually, I don't think. Let me see. I don't think I ever showed you guys the video, did I? Look, it's like not even fucking... Wasn't even close, bro. These fucking busters. No! Wrong button. Look at these fucking busters. Look at this guy trying to fucking prove himself that month. Good fucking luck, homie. Good fucking luck, dog. Get the fuck out of here. Drag my nuts on your face. And then this fucking guy. Track record. This fucking. I'm gonna fucking find this guy. And I'm gonna kneecap his legs. That's just a fact. I'm gonna literally kneecap his legs. So he's got me beat by 0.9 seconds essentially. What is that actually? Let me see what I actually have to fucking tune up for. This fucking guy. 55, 215 minus 54, 335. 0.88. Actually, wait, I think I actually beat that. I think I might have hit 52 seconds last time I went. Hold on one second. Let me see. Hold on. No, that was the last time I went, I think. Hold on, let me see. Yo, Leslie. Motherfucking focus with the 5 gifted. Thank you, homie. Let me see. I don't know if I got the results from that last. Now I don't know. Wait, hold on. Actually, hold on. Let me see. Hold up. I'll tell you right now, actually. Hold up. If that was March. Okay, wait, hold on. Ah, that was March 12th. Fuck. Yeah, 55 spot 215 is my best. God damn it. That's really disappointing, actually. I need to beat that fucker by 0.9 seconds. That's how far off I am. Sick of seeing customer support questions on here. What customer support questions are we talking about? Eat a can of beans before it? I will. GT2 RS? Holy shit, that's a tough car to drive. Was it PDK or was it manual? Because you can get it, I don't know if they still allow that. They had a GT2 RS, but I think somebody wrecked it because it's such a hard car to drive. Bruce, can you look at an indicator on TradingView tape by a liquidity trader to see if it's comparable to time and sales on Bookmap? There's no shot. Nickel and diming in trading is like the worst possible thing you can do. Like, if you're not willing to spend $100 a month on getting a proper data feed or whatever, like
trade instrument by 22.
Use a different way to attack the markets, you know. Don't try to nickel and dime and be like, dude, how could I replicate X, Y, and Z? It's like, well, just buy it, dude. It's like $100. You know. Porsche Carrera GTs are sick. Yeah, I've never driven one. I don't think I've ever actually been in a Carrera GT ever. Last cool car I was in, my buddy had a P1 before he sold it. That was the last cool car I was in. I know it's not like RJ's W1, but the last coolest car, most expensive coolest car I was in was a P1. That shit, I swear to God, was shocking how goddamn loud that car is. I can't believe that like people actually bought that car and like, because you're not like, yeah, some people are tracking their P1s, but like most people bought the P1s for like, you know, it was the P1, the CGT, and then the, what was the third one? Oh, the Ferrari, La Ferrari. But like, dude, the La Ferrari doesn't sound like that. La Ferrari is fucking drivable. But the fucking P1 is like, and like the floorboards are fucking like metal, and like you hear every piece of dust underneath the car when you're driving. There's a fucking like, I was like, wow, can't believe why the fuck you'd ever have that car. Bro, first day on Trade C, wow. We need TPT. Yeah, no shit, right? Isn't it a beautiful thing? When you go from Tradeovate to Trade C, it's like a fucking, it's night and day, brother. My neighbor's GT3 RS is crazy loud. Yeah, it's different though. GT3 RSs are not the GT2 RS. The GT2 RS was the Widowmaker. That car, like, it's a track car, and people bought that car as like a driver's road car. Like, retards. They didn't have the manual GT2 RS. It's probably a good thing, bro. You think you're downshifting into fourth and you accidentally slide it into second, you're gonna fucking spin the shit out of that car. You know? It's not gonna be a good time. Let me see if I can find something here. So this is where I don't think I hit 55 seconds. I think I might have hit like 58 seconds. Hold on one second. I want to see. Doom, 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 doom. Let me see what I'm saying. How do I do these? Trying to think. There might be, hold on one second. Let me see something.
Order filled.
Is that what I want? That's kind of not what I was looking for. No, not that one either. Huh. Try something here. I'm gonna try to build something here. Order flow seems so confusing. Yeah, it is. It's not easy. It is confusing. If it was easy, then it'd be probably pretty worthless, right? Don't you think? Don't you think? Let me see here. Didn't the unders win? I don't know. You fucking tell me. Here, I'm paying out the unders. There you go. Unders are paid. Bang. There you go. Not even gonna look. Now they for sure won.
Order filled.
Something something Trump Strait of Hormuz.
Trade.
Blah 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 blah.
Instrument.
Order
Sell
filled.
21.
Blah 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 blah. Strait of Hormuz. Blah 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 blah. I don't fucking care. He's talking
Order
about Strait of
filled.
Hormuz. Something something Strait of Hormuz. Blah 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 blah. Let's try this. That work? No. Try 10. Kind of works. Hey, it's working. Strait of Vermouth? All right, cool. That's all working. Let me see something else now.
Order filled.
Nope, that's not what I wanted to press. Jesus.
Order filled.
Nope, still not it. We're getting there. Pretty decent comms, actually. Hold on. Okay. Not bad comms, baby. See one thing. Where's a good place to start to get into order flow? Don't buy courses. Why would you ever buy a course on order flow? You're not going to learn anything. See if this works.
My name is Hunter. We're in the 296 Challenge Evo, and a couple things to pick out of the briefing.
Trade.
Just the basics, right?
Instrument. By 23.
Follow my lead on passing and shifting, and I got you on everything else. Again, those are the basics. So we have no stability control in this car. Your job is to brake straight, get it done straight. As long as we do that, then the car will not lock and spin after. So I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive in this car just because I have to be. So you're going to get 3 calls of hard brake in succession. Obviously, you already said your tendency is to brake too hard, so we probably won't have a problem there. We'll just work on the smoothness of it. But if I don't receive the desired pressure per the corner, if we're straight, then I'm going to be on the
This
brake
video is shorter than 10 minutes.
You still got a copy, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. And if you are ready, let's go foot on the brake, upshift. Beautiful. And
Is that you, Rips? No, no, no.
Left, make sure nobody's
Not me.
coming. If we're good, you just give me a little bit of gas. We'll keep it about 10 miles per
Just a
hour.
random person on the internet I found that's driving a car.
Okay, let's go all the way down to the end of the tent there, and we'll make a left around it. See how light the wheel is?
Yeah, it's insane.
It's ridiculous.
Jeez.
Through the blues. And then we'll stop at the last 2
Yeah,
corners
one
right
day
up the
I'll
edge.
do it. I mean, the guy does look very close to me.
Trade.
Like it almost looks like we're
Instrument.
watching a video. of
Cell
me. But
38.
honestly, I don't know why would we
Absorption
watch a video of me
MNQ
racing on
M6
my own
CME
stream? That
sellers
seems
at
weird.
27,023.5. Trade.
And then
Instrument.
remember, thumbs always
By
in. That's gonna
32.
help you stay a
Trade.
lot looser, 'cause all I want you
Instrument.
to do is pull
By
down with your thumb.
25.
Actually, at the
Trade.
pole or anywhere,
Instrument.
Yeah, it's probably
By
Have you ever gone
41.
over like proper motion of your elbows?
Not exactly, but more of like, I've been like sort of like on my palms more than anything.
That's good. So what I want from you, go ahead and turn left 90 degrees. That's perfect, right? Keep that elbow drop, but relax your fingers on the top like this and just drop your wrist as tight, as far down as you can. Yeah, don't work for it, right? We're just pulling majoritively here because the car's really light, right? It's going to do the majority of the work for you. So just staying loose, pulling with that bottom thumb, staying in the pocket, pretending like you're grabbing your elbow is the key.
Got it.
Yep. And then at the moment, we have a nice little gap. Let's roll into our gas nice and smooth. We're going to hold the right side after we cross. Upshift. Upshift. Let's go left side. We're clear behind. Upshift. Upshift. Brake about mid-pressure. 1 downshift. Good. Stay in 4th for now. Off brake, we can carry that. Light gas in about 10% just for light loaded weight in the rear. And now gradually building in the middle of the track, not left or right. Middle, so we're straight to green. Further middle.
7 minutes till the
Now
market
straight.
opens.
Off brake, let it roll out. Second green. Now light gas in, but only 10%. That way we don't push the front. I need you left. Good. Same gas on the right side. Look 2 greens out. Beautiful. Gradual build. We are passing left. Keep going. Normal line. Yep. Holding left. No brake here. Just breathe off. Light gas in. Yeah, no brake at those ones. Just the second set.
Got it. Can we turn up my volume a little bit
Yeah,
here?
yeah, yeah. Brake. Off. Light gas. That better?
Yes.
Cool. Building speed. No curbs. No bumps. Brake. 1 downshift. Stay green. Off brake. Look at the green. Tight to it. Yep. Building on the right side. Let's go. Up. Left. Brake. Good. 1 down. Keep your pressure. Now release. Light gas only. Hold. Tight. Now gradual build in the middle. There you go. Keep going. Brake. 1 downshift. Off brake. I don't want to use that much track. Good. Light gas only. Don't push front. Really good. Same gas on the right side. Once you get to second green, you can start adding. There you go. Upshift. Holding left. A little bit more gas. Just breathe. Light gas in. Balance. Brake. Harder. Release. Let it roll. Light gas. Never shift there. We'll keep 4th gear. That way we just focus on the roll speed. Upshift. Full throttle. Upshift. Brake hard. 2 down. Off brake. Light gas in. 10%. 90-degree angle. Wait for the build, though. Only build on exit. You see how you're pushing?
Yep.
Good, good, good. Up. 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 Brake hard. 1 down. 1 down. 1 more. Off brake. Light gas. Find the flow. Now build. Middle. Look for green already. Upshift.
Sorry.
Brake. You're good. Downshift. Off brake. Load your weight out. A little bit of gas. Give me 5 to 10%. But now modulate it. Play with it. Get your rotation. You're in control of where the weight goes. Same gas. Building. Upshift. Stay with her. Love that. Off. Light gas in. Balance only. Brake harder and release. A little early on the turn in. Snap and build. No bumps. Upshift. Keep going. Brake hard. One down. One more. Turn your head. Little gas in. Just 10%. Keep your balance. There you go. Now build it. We'll tighten 10 up. 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 Brake hard. 1, 2. Stay loaded. Off. Light gas. You're good. Keep it going. Think further. Now building. Yeah, keep breathing. Brake. 1 down. Good. Off brake. She'll scrub the rest. Now don't add too
Order
much.
filled.
No, that was okay. Turn more. Commit to your decision. That's what I want.
Got it.
Upshift. Tighter here. Now we'll just keep it in 4th gear through the back. Holding left. Keep on your gas. Off. Light gas in. You're good. Keep going. Now brake on the right. Brake, brake, brake. Release it. Light gas. Cut it. Build it. We got to stay off that bump, though. Upshift. Brake hard. 1 down. 1 more.
All right, that was a 57-second lap. I think this next lap is my best lap.
Don't overdo it. Now overdo it. Yes. Beautiful patience. Up. Left. How you feeling? Up.
Focused.
Brake hard. 1. Off. Light gas. Hold.
Get it
Order
in there.
filled.
Tuck.
Fuck yeah.
Building.
Great fucking line.
Upshift. Brake. 1 down.
Fucking
And
line.
off
Oh
brake.
my
No gas
God,
for
what a
early.
line.
Good. Light. Tighter, though. Good commitment. Same gas on the
Fucking
right side.
beautiful. And then this motherfucker gets in my way.
Good. More gas.
This fucking dumb
Upshift.
piece
You're
of
passing
shit.
on the right. Go now.
Go,
now,
go,
now.
go. Fucking pass.
Off gas.
Fuck
no
you.
brake. Tight. Brake. Off. Light gas only. Snap and build. Let's
Snap
go.
it.
Upshift.
Bang.
Upshift.
Oh, what a line.
Brake hard. 1 down. 1 more.
Bang, that was 56
Good. Turn your
seconds.
head.
That's the best I
Release
did
it.
that
Little
day.
Gas in. Turn more, though. Immediately. Yeah. Now right side go.
Huge build. Go, 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 go. Out, out.
Order filled.
Up. Up. Brake hard. Good. 2 down.
Another motherfucker in the way.
Off. Light
Get
gas
out of the way,
passing on the
dumb
right side.
shit.
Do that now.
Go, go,
for it.
go.
for it.
Go.
for it.
Move it. Cut
Stay
in.
middle. Brake. 1 down. Good. Off brake. Let it roll. Turn your head. Little early. Overcommit. Turn more. Way more. Yeah, beautiful. Same gas on the right. Now building. Upshift. Keep going. Keep going.
Order
Off.
filled.
Light gas in.
I'm so mad. I was so mad at that point.
Brake, right? Harder. Release it. Little gas. Little gas. Keep it up. Snap. Upshift. Really good. Brake hard. Exit.
I'm so bummed.
Great
Like,
job.
so mad.
Thanks, brother. Not bad at all.
I feel like you're getting a lot better.
It's just, it's honestly, I think we're about a second to a second and a half behind the car.
Yeah.
So we're getting hung up in the
All right.
helmet. A
New
couple
York Open
times,
coming.
Mainly on the,
New York Open coming. All right, what are we going to trade? Let's switch over to our... we're not going to touch Alpha. Those are done, so no trade debate today. Let's switch over to our Tradeify Lightning funded accounts because those ones we will be trading today. Yeah, dude, I probably could have crushed 54 if that fucker wasn't in the way. That was such a good lap, too. That line was fucking beauty. That line was just like, oh, so pure. So to do a track day like that, 6 laps, I think it's under $1,000 bucks, and you get the instructor and everything. That's only, you know, 6 laps. A full track day is like $5 grand if you want to do like 30, 40 laps. Granny shifting that up. Good guys. Dude, what if you said
Order
that?
filled.
All right, here we go. Markets are open.
Trade.
Holy shit. Holy
Instrument.
shit.
Sell
Trade C's
27.
frozen.
Absorption
Order
MNQ
filled.
M6 CME buyers at
Jesus
26,984.75.
Trade C froze on
Trade.
that. Still frozen.
Instrument.
Still frozen. Be careful
Sell
on Trade C right now.
146.
It's
Order
rhythmic. It's
filled.
not Trade C.
Trade.
I'm telling you right
Instrument.
now. It's fucking rhythmic.
Buy
Rhythmic is
20.
fucking AIDS.
Order filled.
All right, so if we hold below this volume shelf of 27,000, I'm looking for shorts, but right now, okay, not trading.
Order filled.
How do you deal with brokerage with this frequency of trades? What do you mean? I mean, we're already done for the day on our funded seed accounts. We crushed it on those. I think we'll probably get moved to live, I would think, tonight.
Order filled.
I'm pretty sure that we're going to get moved to live now because that's... I think that's enough payouts, I think. I don't know. I don't know how it works, man. Spent out Ferrari 458 in Speed Vegas a couple years back. Yeah, it's not easy.
Order
it's not
filled.
easy. It's not easy. Not to suck
Order
my own dick or
filled.
anything, but like to drive like that, you need a lot of hours on the track. It's not easy. It's very, very easy to spin that car if you're doing that shit. It's very fucking easy, especially in a 296 challenge. It doesn't have like traction control and shit. It's a race car. That's a race car. One more payout? Okay.
Order filled.
We refreshed liquidity above 27,000 there. You did 2K in commissions yesterday with AMP? What the fuck? That's crazy, brother. Yeah, ES is still weak, though. You said it's stronger. It's still weak, though. We're making an interesting profile offer up here. Drove NASCAR and Poconos. Nice, nice, nice. The brokerage charges per trade, doesn't that affect your ROI?
Order filled.
Not the way that I trade now. $4 is not bad, bro. $4 per round trip is not bad at all. Really, it's not bad. You gotta be making more than that. You know what I mean? You gotta be making way more. It's not bad. $4 per round trip ain't bad.
Order filled.
Used to way less. With who? With what brokerage, brother? The fuck? Huh? What brokerage are you on that you're getting less
Order
than $4
filled.
a round trip? I know you're not trading fucking $20 million a day, brother. The fuck are you talking about? Used to way less. Huh? Is that track allowed to be used by all car makers? No. So that experience you can do.
Order filled.
They got everything. Yeah, McLarens. They got Ferraris, Porsches, Lamborghinis.
Order filled.
You can do whatever you want. When we do a Vegas meetup out here, it's one of the activities that we're all gonna do. No motorcycles, no.
Trade.
It's one of the activities that we're gonna do.
Buy 30.
Like it's gonna be one of the things that you can win, is to do the racing thing. Yeah, no, they have an all BMW track. They have an all Porsche track.
Order
this
filled.
is a different thing. This is an experience where like you get like that guy's been racing for 18 years. My instructor there. That's why I pick him every time. His name's Hunter. He's a badass, bro. And he's super
Order
small.
filled.
So there's a weight advantage to having Hunter as well. Like,
Order
he's super
filled.
super fucking tiny. He's been racing for 18 years. Though.
Order filled.
Like literally for 18 years.
Order filled.
I'm not joking. Like he has a like the size advantage is gonna be like worth
Order
at
filled.
least half a second. Past my 25K
Order
flex
filled.
eval. We are funded, brother. Give it up for LT. It's the one that he won here on stream. Guess what? You're gonna get a motherfucking payout. You're gonna get a motherfucking payout, my G. I'm 6'7", 290 pounds. I'll drive whatever I can fit in. I don't know actually. You're a beast, bro. I wonder how you trade when scalp the charges eat up my profit. I mean, you just got to be more right. Just be more correct, brother. How do you trade this fucking range market? Do what I'm doing. Have I taken a trade since the market opened? Do what I'm doing. I'm 6'1". You're 6'10". You guys are fucking giants, bro. I felt tall at one point in my life. Then dude, I had these guys that I've been trading with and I met them for the first time. The fucking guys were like 6'4", 6'5", 6'7". I'm like, I was like, fuck! You guys make me feel like a goddamn midget. I felt so goddamn tiny.
Trade.
You're 5'12",
Instrument.
that's
By
funny.
25.
Yeah, no, I'm Ferrari Phil, were you shorter or taller than me? Here's the thing. I never remember like when I meet people, like, unless they're fucking hugely tall. Yeah, National's you're a beast, bro. When I met National, I was like, what's up, bro? How's it going up there? What's the temperature up there? What are the highs? Down here, it's like 80. What is it up there? It's like 63? Okay, good comms. Yeah, when I met National, it was fucking hilarious. Dude literally looks like Jack Reacher. Like, holy shit, bro. How tall is Alan Richardson? Let's see. Alan Richardson height. He's 6'3". Yeah, see? That's why I was fucking, dude. That's why I was like, National's Jack Reacher, bro. Jack Reacher. Fucking National's 6'4". Legitimately, dude, do you remember National when I met you? I met National. He came over to Bobby's room at Bellagio. First time I ever met the guy. He's like, what's up, Ribs? I'm like, hey, how's it going up there, man? You're a fucking monster. Ferrari Phil, where are you? How tall are you, man? I can't remember if you're shorter or taller or the same height. I can't even remember. But you do your fitness, bro. You're pretty yoked. Get your ass out here, player. Why in States you guys love telling your weight too whenever you say your height? I don't know. Because most Americans are fucking enormous. In a bad way. Most Americans are fucking unhealthy and enormous. So it's kind of an accomplishment when you're not, I guess. Pozo is 5'4" and 165. Lots of yeah. Funny if National's first words were him yelling, "Do not redeem." Dude, National would say a quote from Jack Reacher. He literally, legitimately looked like Jack Reacher, but like the more like angrier, rougher version of Jack Reacher. Like, listen here, I'm gonna fuck your ass up, brother. Like, whoa, buddy, chill out. Just trying to say hi. Fuck out of here. He looks like he doesn't take any shit. National, you take any shit from your kids? Say that again. I feel like that's kind of your response. Dad, can we get ice cream? Say that again. Dad, will you come tuck me in for bedtime story? Say that again. We don't do that bullshit around here.
Trade. Instrument. By 105. Absorption MNQ M6 CME sellers at 27,025.
Wait, fucking no way. Car is trading at 300s. No fucking way. I don't believe you. Holy shit, dude. Look at oh my god damn, brother. Fuck. So imagine if you only traded 1,000 shares of this, you'd be up almost $500,000 if you only traded 1,000 shares short. The borrow cost on 1,000 shares was guaranteed less than 10 grand. Fuck.
Trade. Instrument. By 25. Trade. Instrument. Sell
Did you watch
34.
this movie with Kevin James? I saw there's a Kevin James movie. I fell asleep to it, I think. My neighbor bought it at $2 and sold at $3.14. That's crazy work, brother. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, this is a very sloppy open right here. Very, very sloppy. We're definitely in an uptrend. I'd love to see us buck that trend. See if we get the previous day higher. Maybe we could buck the trend.
Trade. Instrument. By 34.
getting 1 to 2 second delay on entry on a trade C. Anyone else? I haven't traded trade C since earlier on my funded seat account, so.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 34.
Sorry for the delay of your question. Moving from iPhone to PC. I worked features, market maker 2012, 2016. We did. I mean, bro, there's no world that exists where you're getting lower than $4 round trip commissions trading the NASDAQ minis. Like, it doesn't exist, brother. Even if you got a CME seat, like, you're knocking it down to like 275. We are still pushing up here. Still nothing I like, nothing I want to take. But if you're long out of 27,000, you're up a treat right now. 9:45, we have the global manufacturing PMI, which again is not going to be that big of a deal. At 10:30, we get the DOE numbers, and at 11, we're getting a swath of data. Get the 4 and 8 week bills. We get the 3 and 6 month bill announcement, and the Kansas City Fed manufacturing activity, which again, nobody's really going to care about here. Overs or unders are going to be paid out. Oh, I didn't even do a prediction. My bad. Whoopsie. Hoopsie. Let's do this. 10:06. All right, we're going to do 1 minute for this prediction. Bang. There you go. 1 minute. Do, 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 do. Back to shit PA? What are you talking? This is not shit PA, brother. When the market is moving, look, shit PA is like if we're caught like this off the open. Like if the open dropped, like if this was the open right now, we dropped and then we chop. That's shit PA. This ain't shit PA, brother. This is movement. This is motion. This ain't shit PA. We've not even close, brother. This is great PA. This is a song that plays over a baby crib. I'll be your baby. Come on down here, Jim. I like how everybody's asking for the Soupy call out. Holy shit. You guys are so
Trade.
funny, bro.
Instrument. Sell 149. Absorption
Guys are all like,
MNQ
"What's
M6
Soupy doing? What's
CME
Soupy
buyers
doing?"
at 27,038. Trade.
Guys are so
Instrument.
mean.
Sell 31.
Savage, bro. All right. I'm gonna try this long in my Lightning funded account. Stops are below 35.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 26.
Trying to hit long on this pullback. See if we can hold at 40s here. Looking for a pop and retrace above 50 here now. See if they attack these 50s. Nice, nice move. Nice comms, nice comms. Very nice comms. Let's go, baby. Keep popping. Keep popping, baby. Let's go, let's go. Right through those 60s. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. 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 Great comms. Fuck yeah, there we go. Lightning funded. Who caught that one with me? Beautiful pitch and catch to the upside. Who caught that with me? Come on. Very clear on that trade. Long, stops below 35.
Trade.
We came nowhere close to those stops.
By 21.
40, add, bang, bang, bang. Let's fucking go, champs. That's lightning funded, done for the day. Just like that. Damn, Pozo, 9K on TPT. What a fucking champion you are. You love to see it. You do. You just do. Oh my God, you love to see that shit, motherfucker. I love to see you guys winning. Like I say, all the time. I love to see you guys winning. Cars still going down. Do they hit a limit down halt? Oh, fuck. God, dude. It's... makes me want to go back to fucking trading equities when you have days like this. There are so many people getting fucking paid today, dude. We're halted right now. I wish I had DAS open. I haven't traded on DAS in fucking so long. I miss it so much. You don't understand. This is how COVID was every fucking day, bro. Every fucking day in COVID, there was something like this. At least one thing. At least one thing. And usually they're to the upside. But like, fuck, man. It was so much fun. We were talking about this in Globex yesterday. Like, fuck, it was so fucking fun. Let me know when Car resumes. Let me know when Avis resumes, please. Who's still holding long here, by the way? We're 20 points from where we covered. Hey. Ribs, you need to produce your own rap album solo. Bro, I have. Like, I got like 3 Grammy Award-winning albums.
Trade. Instrument.
Damn, let's go, Scott.
By
Pitch and catch to
31.
the upside,
Absorption
baby. I love it.
MNQ M6 CME buyers at
Love seeing you folks win. It makes me happier than anything, dude.
27,098.25.
Don't give a fuck about my own shit. Really. Who gives a shit? Fuck do I care? Seriously. I'm gonna be fine. I want you guys to be fucking winning, dude. Nothing turns me on more than when I see you guys fucking winning. Just passed my 50K Apex eval. Thanks, Ribs. Let's go, Kurt. Pay the overs? Do you not see what the fuck? Oh my God, the overs are gonna fucking... They're gonna crush on this shit, bro. Oh my God. That's why I put it up there. Nobody believed me. I put it so far away, too. Nobody believed it. Thank you, Apox, for the gifted. I appreciate you, baby. Oh, man, what a day. And then my jeweler's flying out to Vegas today. I'm going to pick up the Booger. The Booger Blaster 9000 is what I'm getting today. He's flying out from Los Angeles. So excited. Oh, shit, I forgot to
Trade.
my shit.
Instrument. By 20.
Sneak peek for the viewers. I showed it yesterday on stream. Well, I showed you what the 70 pointer looked like. I will be posting on my Instagram story today. Car is unhalted. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, look at this shit. Look at it go. What's the halt? What's a limit down halt? What's the LULD levels? What's the limit down level? Anybody know? Yeah, it's gonna be a very difficult day. Extra difficult, baby.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 33. Trade.
Oh,
Instrument.
NASDAQ. Holy shit.
Sell
Look at-
24.
Holy shit.
Trade. Instrument. Buy 38.
There's definitely people covering in car right now too. I'm sorry, I'm just so enamored with this. Dude. Fuck, I wish. Fucking 10,000 going. Oh my god, it'd be up 800 grand. That's human psychology at work against you. Wait, what did we say? Dane Trader says, Yo Rips, I got a strategy. Yo Rips, I got a strategy through market structure, and EMA has been doing that for 2 years now. Got payouts with it. Looks too easy. I'm scared. I have a short about this, bro. I literally have a short
Trade.
about this. Did you not watch the short about this?
Sell 22.
Did you not watch the short? I literally have a short about that where I'm like, oh, it's too easy. Bro, question about the pitch and catch. Do you look for a swing low and a high and then look for a pullback? Could you show on Bookmap? If you can't, then great trade. Yeah, I'll do it in a second here for sure. 100%. I have a bunch of videos about the pitch and catch on my YouTube. If you're ever confused about the pitch and catch, and that trade right there will probably become a video as well. But let me show you. 1 second. We just gotta post this real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, Dorman's still around, bro. Yeah, Dorman is definitely still around. Dorman's gonna be fucking 4.25 for 450 for a round trip right now. Unless you're fucking doing insane size, bro. Even with the CME seat, the best you're gonna get is like 2 3/4 round trip with a CME seat, with your own CME seat, bro. Like, it's inflation, bro. Like, you're tripping if you think $4 round trip is a big deal. You're tripping, brother. $4 round trip is par for the course. Like, that's a good deal. Some firms will be like 6.25, 650. Nice. Tony Ryan says, I asked Grok to interpret your pitch and catch technique. It was fire outline from past commentary. There you go. $4 to push your shit. Dude, it's honestly like, I'd like, yeah, just, yeah. $4 round trip ain't shit, brother. I'm working on it still, AR. The guy who does my coding had a baby recently, so I don't want to like, dude, he does this shit for me as a favor, like
Trade.
just to be nice.
Instrument.
I'm not gonna start pressing on him like, bro, what the fuck? Where's my indicator, dog? Like, yeah, right. He's a fucking really good person. And he just had a kid, and he doesn't charge me shit for doing the work on these indicators. So it's like, you know. Dude, car is looking for a break. Lower. Looks like it halted. 313.97. The halt bands are going to get tighter and tighter as it goes down because the percentage changes. It gets whacked. Tally whacked. I'm so jealous of people that got to trade that. All right, pitch and catch. This was Sippin' V12 was asking for this one. We have. Do you want to look at it on the? It's easier to look at it on the charts, right? Let's go to the 10-second chart just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, right? Let me hide my indicator. Okay, so we are looking for, like you heard me, where did I place my stop, right? I said my stop was below 35, right? Look at that level right there. So I'm looking for the last, there's a couple things, right? If you're looking at this on a 10-second chart, you can see that this is a heavy rejection. So this is buyers still in control of this price. So all I'm looking for is a dramatic pullback into something of this area, right? So if we can map this out, I want to show you something very cool. if we just take the wick in the 10 seconds, right? We take it from the top to bottom. Look at this. We almost pull back exactly to the midpoint of that wick on the 10-second bars. So when we're encroaching, and if we take the whole candle, I guarantee, yeah, like look, we encroach on it almost perfectly. So if we're taking the whole candle, or just even like the upper body, look at how much that, look at it. It literally lines up if we just take the body to the exact midpoint of that, right? Are you still here, sipping V12? Because I don't want to go through this if you're not here. I don't know if you're here or not. Okay, cool. So when we are extending here, there's two things that I'm looking for, right? And I see this on Bookmap. You can see it on candlesticks. It's not a big deal. So on a 10-second bar, which is like the speed that I'm watching the order flow, this rejection, I can see it in Bookmap, but if you're a candlestick trader, this is important, right? This rejection is important because that is telling you that buyers are in control, right? So I'm not jumping into the trade there. Instead, I'm waiting for a pullback into that zone and a rejection, right? So there's two ways that you can trade this. Looking at the 10-second bars, you see where you have like agreement and price. This would be it, right? Agreement and price is right here because we pop up. That's the high, and then that's the high of that candle too, right? The high of the body, right? So there's two different areas. For me personally, I want to get it in this zone, right? I entered the trade the moment that we got into this zone right here on that pullback, that violent pullback. My stops are below this, right? I said my stops are below 35. I was right around 33, right? The lower end of that zone, because we reject below that zone, then the trade is completely invalidated. Once we reject that heavily and we start to, again, I'm seeing this in Bookmap, but you can see it on the 10-second candlestick chart. When we create this wick on the 10-second bars, it's basically saying that buyers are in control again, right? It's not as dramatic as this wick right here, but buyers are in control, especially when we start printing 3 green candles in a row, 30 seconds of green. So there's two areas that you can enter. You can enter where I did, which is right here on the pullback, or you can wait for confirmation right here, right? Where do you think I added to price? Or where do you think I added to my position? It was right here.
Trade.
Right? I'm adding to position here. And then
Sell
where do you think I'm
33.
looking for that first acceptance and takeout of my trade? Over these bodies. That's it, right? Because that was the rejection. That was the prior rejection. And the moment that we exceed those bodies, I'm looking for that. So you're either clocking around whole numbers, which are the 70s, the closest to that area, right? You're looking for the 70s to clock out, or you're just taking it off the moment that we wick above those bodies. So you can do it on the bodies or the wicks. Here or here. And again, I'm seeing this all on Bookmap, right? But that's all I'm doing. That's your pitch and catch to the upside. If you want to see what it looks like on the downside, there you go. There's a pitch and catch to the downside. Exact same thing, right? It's the exact same thing. There's no difference. There's no difference. It's the exact same setup. It works both ways, right? So you took down like 15, 20 points in that trade. Well, I took it from 40 to 70. So it was about 30 points. Just call it 25 on average. Look at this. Look at this. The same fucking thing happened. Look at that. Same fucking thing happened. We were just talking about this. Look at that. Same fucking thing. There's your downside trade. There's your pitch and catch to the downside. Same fucking trade, dude. Stops would be where? Right here. TPs are going to be where? Right here. Bottom of those wicks. Bang. What is that? That's a 4-to-1. You're going to sit here and tell me, oh, price action sucks. No, it doesn't. You just suck at reading it. You know what I mean? If you can figure out how to do this over and over and over, I promise you that you can get consistent payouts. Straight up. You can get consistent payouts if you just wait for this to happen.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 20. Absorption MNQ M6 CME buyers at 27,000.
Which broker should I choose according to you? Because you shouldn't be trading on a broker. You shouldn't be trading on a broker because you need to have consistent profitability in props first. It's applicable to all time frames. Yes, it's on higher time frames too. I'm showing you on the 10-second because I'm a momentum scalper. This is on a 10-second chart, but it's valid on higher time frames. I'm just showing you on the 10-second chart because somebody specifically asked about the exact trade that I took this morning. Any questions?
Trade. Instrument. By 36.
I'm 21 points. Thank you, Rips. Nice. This is going to be turned into a long form video on my channel, I guarantee. So if you missed it and you don't understand it, you can wait for the YouTube video to come out about this. How many charts do you use? Check this out. I'm going to post on my... Wait, dude, you know this. What are you talking about, Blue
Trade.
MNQ?
Instrument. By 49.
Brother, how many times have you seen me post it on my story of my complete setup? I'm done trading, guys.
Trade.
Look, I hit max profit on everything today.
Sell 25.
I'm literally done trading. What do you want me to trade? Job's done. Job's done. Right? Everything's done. I did my job today. It's over. I hit max payout on everything, bro.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 47. Trade. Instrument. Buy 23.
I just have trouble finding what to look for in Bookmap in terms of size of boat. Then don't use Bookmap, right? Don't use Bookmap. If it's getting in the way of your decision-making process, then don't use Bookmap. Just because Bookmap works well for me doesn't mean it's going to work well for you. And right, like, I don't want to try to push products on you that are not going to be helpful for you. Purgatory Park says another banner day. Thank you, Rip. Let's go, baby. Congrats to you, my friend. Where the fuck are all the chatters? What are you talking about? People are probably trading right now. What do you mean, where are all the chatters? Everybody's here. What are you talking about? Go with the Flow says, just passed my first eval. Let's go, baby. If you're currently here in chat, drop a W. Let's see. How many people are actually here in chat right now? There you go. Bruce, what is your opinion about feminism? I just hate when my girls say we don't need men, etc. What? What planet are we on right now? You lost me, bro. I have one rule with that, right? I have one rule with that. If you don't come to my place of work and come into my office and bother me, then I'm not going to go to her place of work and bother her in the kitchen. We keep those boundaries, right? Was on a work call, Rips. Can you help for any more trades?
Instrument.
I mean, brother,
By 20.
I'm fucking suited and booted right now. Don't know where the kitchen is, Rips? I mean, I've heard about it. I've seen pictures of it. I've never been in it myself. Lord knows I'd never go in that place. Job's done. As if your girlfriend says they don't need a man means you're making good money. Well, they're going to find somebody who makes some good money. If you're not making good money, they're going to find somebody. Oh, man. $300 away from passing my first eval. Let's go, Black Sam. Let's go, baby. Poser Trade says, I'm a woman trader, and my man will never have to feed himself. God bless. You're going to have a very lucky man by your side, then. No, I'm lucky. I'm not chauvinist or anything. I'm lucky. I love my wife. She's amazing. I love my wife. I'm very lucky, very blessed. There's how many contracts you usually use on your trade? Again, it depends. It depends. It depends. On that setup right there, I think I traded 4 contracts. I'm pretty sure. Here, let me see. That was 4 contracts. 4 contracts. 4 contracts. Question not trade related. Why you're so fast in putting in reels, vid stories? Do you have a video editor? I have a team. I have a content team. I don't just have a video editor. I have a whole team. Unders 1. Let's go. That sucks that the unders
Trade.
snuck that one
Instrument.
out. I thought the overs
Sell
were the
21.
I would bet the overs. 1 minute for the next one. Troop says, having all my accounts with daily payouts is amazing. Not needing winning days is great. I've had such a good week that I can just take tomorrow off without the need for winning days. Let's go. Give it up for Troops. Troops, are you trading on funded seed at all? Let me ask you that question. Are you trading on funded seed at all? By the way, how many people who are Miyagi'd on this stream took that beautiful setup? I mean, your TP is like, I mean, you could even do this, right? You could even do this to that to this. And that's still 2.5 to 1. How many people took that one? I'm being generous with how bad your entry could be too. Like your entry could be fucking terrible. This is still 2 to 1 right here. Right? And like, that's just to the VWAP. That's just trading straight to the VWAP. That's 20 points. Wait, so did they answer?
Trade. Instrument. By 22.
Who are you
Trade.
trading on?
Instrument. By 23.
Austin says, I feel that same way about my wife. She's simply incredible. I'm way too blessed. Amen, brother. Hello, Ribs had a profit drawdown of $10,000. I lost $6,000 the last 3 days. Then today I made one trade of 6,500 on GC at 8:30 a.m. today. Yesterday's 7,000 trade inspired me, brother. Thank you. Let's go. Nice work there, Ernest. Let's go, baby. Well done, brother. Feeling kind of greedy. Gonna lock it and go enjoy the weather. Nice. Good comms, Gus. Good comms. Well done. Ribs, you look like Hrithik Roshan. Yeah, I have a short about that on my Instagram. Here, watch this. I can't play it on stream because they'll fucking tag me for bullshit. Watch this one. Watch that, order flow dynamics. This is for all my Indian viewers. If you're on Kick and you're an Indian viewer, check that one out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like that one. Did you see my post? My poist, Ribs. I mess around with you, but thanks. You're the real deal. I love you, pal. I appreciate you tuning in here, man. All I want to do is help people. That's it. All I care about is helping people. If I can help you improve your trading in any way, whether it's at a technical level or a psychological level, I feel fulfilled. That is my goal for these streams and to have fun doing it. That's what we want. That's all we want. That's it. That's all I care about. Can we have fun? Can we learn something? Can we get better? Can we be progressively better every single day? Somehow, some way. Even if it's 0.5% better. Even if it's 0.01% better. Can we find a way to be slightly better than we were yesterday? That's it. That's all I want. And when you guys tell me that I'm seeing like, oh man, I'm green. Oh man, I crushed it. Like that's the shit that turns me on. That's the shit that makes this worth it. Do you only trade futures? Yes. On stream, yes.
Trade. Instrument.
Now keep
Sell
in mind,
32.
B-Balla, single stock futures are coming out soon. So depending on what these prop firms want to do, there's a good chance that we will be able to trade single stock futures. So we might bring that into the mix. Help yourself to some heat. Dude, to be honest, I'm not even kidding about this. I've actually enjoyed the break from gambling. It's like, I realized, like, dude, at least with stake, I was not enjoying it, you know? The world honestly needs more people like you. The desire to see others succeed is so rare. I mean, the thing is like, I wasn't always like that. I lived a very unfulfilling life for a while until I realized how unfulfilling that was. Right? Like, being a fucking degenerate makes you realize, like living a very vapid existence drew me to this point in my life. It's because you're going through peace. Yeah, brother. That's what it is. By the way, that same setup happened again. Didn't even stop out. That's crazy. Same happened twice. I wouldn't take it, but yeah. Just passed my first funded seat eval. Let's go. You did it, brother. You did it. Give it up, guys. Black Sam. Fuck yeah. Give it up. On your feet, people. On your feet. You took it this time. Let's go. It's Pat, right? Pat O'Grogan. Patrick O'Grogan. Nice work there. Nice work, Black Sam. How does it feel, brother? By the way, you don't have to do anything with your funded CD eval now. It passes automatically. You don't have to touch a damn thing. You'll refresh your page and then boom, you now have a funded seat account. Do not go fast. Make sure, here's what I want you to do, okay? And pay attention. What I want you to do is I want you to go to the FAQ section of their website, and I want you to go to the exact account that you passed, and I want you to read every single rule for the funded stage of that account and make sure you understand exactly what you're trading. Can you make that promise to me that you will do that? Because the last thing I want to see is, after all this effort from passing your first evaluation account, that you're confronted with some rules that you didn't understand. Can you do that for me? Ribs, have you seen Alpha Trader Firm? They have straight to funded 300K at a discount right now. Alpha Trader Firm. Are you talking about Alpha Futures? Ribs, if you reach the buffer, can you pull that money thus effective? No. If you're talking about funded seat, no. Maybe with TPT, yes, but with funded seat, no. Funded seat, you need to remain above the buffer. Oh yeah, no, I've never fucked with them before. I wouldn't fuck with them, bro. Listen, all I can do is offer my perspective on the firms that are scrolling across the screen. I have taken a payout with every single one of these firms. I've had a good experience with every single one of these firms, and I put my name on every single one of these firms. If anything ever changes from that, you'll hear it from me first. All I can do is offer my perspective on the firms that you see scrolling across the bottom of your screen. Yeah, I wouldn't fuck with, dude, I have no idea. If you're asking me, I have no clue. You're asking the wrong person because I've never fucked with them before. I've taken a payout with every single one of these firms, and I've had a good experience with every single one of these firms. If you don't use this firm, yeah, no, dude, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. No. Mm-mm. I'll trade my own cash. Fuck this. Well, do whatever you want. If you, that's your MO, that's your MO, brother. I just want to see you winning. I'd love to see you come back and be like, bro, I started an account with 10K. I'm up 100,000. Fuck yeah, let's go, baby. I want to see you winning, man. I just want to see you guys making it happen. That's it, man. Because it's the hardest fucking thing ever. These props suck. I mean, I get it, man. I get where you're coming from. Trust me. Watch my stream from the beginning of this year, and I was like, what the fuck is this shit? Like, dude, me going from trading my live account on stream, my $2 million, $3 million live account on stream, like, brother, the adjustment was fucking brutal. People were like, this guy sucks. It's so funny. Dude, it's really like the adjustment period, because they're like, why are you full porting every time? I'm like, I'm just used to clicking the button a lot. You know? It's so funny. Oh man. If I put 10,000 into my own cash and started building it so I had absolutely no rules and could fully control 100% of everything, how many contracts am I allowed to trade with on a $10,000 account? On AMP? I think 10? Is it? Yeah, 10 contracts. But they might liquidate you the moment that you have 10 on. So I don't know. I don't know. The smallest account I've ever traded with AMP was 100,000.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 49.
Hang my head in shame. I had enough to take out a decent payout and cover combine expenses a couple of weeks ago, but ended up blowing it last night. It is with TopStep, and they give the opportunity to get it back by paying a fee. I still have an XFA that I can work. Is it reasonable to pay the fee and get the original one back? I mean, that's really up to you, but let that be a message to every single one of you. And I try to preach this so often, and I appreciate you sharing your story. And you shouldn't feel shame, because guess what? It happens to more people than would ever admit, like you just did. It takes that's a real person right there that's admitting that. That takes guts. But let that be a message to everybody who's watching this stream. And I say this all the time: when you can take a payout, take the payout. Take the payout. I mean that, right? You have to take the payout. And I don't know enough about TopStep's new program. I haven't traded them in over a year. I think TopStep is a great firm. But just listen to what people say in chat who have had the same experience. Rips, when did you realize that you are a better scalper than longer time frame? I mean, I like fast twitch things. Like I like when I play chess, I don't play fucking the bullshit 4-hour game of chess. I play bullet, blitz, and rapid. It just works for the way that I think, and I like fast action. And I also like getting fast results. So scalping is very attractive to my mindset. It also feels like, I don't know, it plays into the way that I do it. In Blitz, I'm 1800, but I'm dog shit. I'm really bad. If I fucking studied some really cheesy bullshit, I could probably get to 2200 in Blitz. But I'm awful, bro. 1800 is like dog shit. I'm fucking terrible. I don't pretend to be good. I had a friend, and I found out recently that he actually passed, rest in peace. But he was a grandmaster, and I used to play with him like almost every single day. He owned a hookah lounge, and I would go and play from like 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. This is back when I was a fucking degenerate piece of shit. No, 1800 is not good for Blitz, bro. Maybe 1800 is good for Classic, but like 1800 for Blitz is bullshit. Like, go play Blitz. Guarantee if you don't even know what you're doing, you probably get 1400. Blitz is not good. Ever tried COD? Yeah, of course. I used to play COD all the time. Grandmaster that passed away. Yep. His name was Eric. He was a fucking G, dude. I think he did the COVID vaccine. He was very, very obese, and he did the COVID vaccine. I think that's what got him in the end, if I'm being honest. Like, I don't actually know. I was like, I wanted to give him a call like a year, 2 years ago, and I was like, oh. And I read a news article. I was like, holy shit. I never play games on stream now. Lucid is such a piece of shit. Go on. Maybe there's something I could do for you. Oh, amazing. Do you use POC as a magnet? Sometimes. Thank you, Pat. Appreciate you, buddy. Hold on. It says got like 2K for the 1125 limit in 3 days. I don't get it, brother. I don't understand. Can I screenshot here? You can DM me. I don't understand what you're saying, bro. Remember when my family blocked me everywhere because I was not a vaxxer? Oh my God. I've never taken the clot shot in my life. I never, ever did. So. Sorry, I'm talking to AI for now. Fucking gate. Brother, relax, bro. I want to help you. Jesus Christ. Relax, homie. Let's figure this out together, my guy. Jiminy Christmas. No, I'm cool. Okay, all right. You got a white claw. Okay, there you go. That'll take the edge off. There is no laws when you're drinking the claws. Ribs, Lucid has insane fees per trade. Do they? See, dude, I don't know what it is. Like, I don't ever fucking notice the fees, guys. I just don't. Even when I'm trading in my cash account, I barely ever look at my fees. I think the most I paid last year in fees was like 125K in a month. Maybe a little bit less, like 80K or something. I can look. I can check my statements, but the most I paid in fees last year in all the entire year was like between $80,000 and $100,000 in a whole month. I'll never understand the fee thing. It's pennies to dollars. Who cares? Amen, brother. Fucking scream it from the goddamn mountaintops. You and me both. I'll never understand the bitching about it. It's fucking insane. Here, I'm gonna log in and see. I'm logging into AMP right now. I'll tell you. You might be looking at like a consistency thing, Charlie. It might be like, dude, it might be the consistency thing. I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. Maybe you're trading an account that has consistency and you're making too much profit, so the profit target goes up. Is that probably what we're talking about here? I don't fucking know, man. All right, let's see. Monthly. Okay, let's see. So I paid this month. Jesus Christ, how many pages is this shit? Good Lord. I'll tell you right now. So last month I paid $40,000 in fees. There you go. $40,000 in fees. Welcome to trading. You know? Welcome to trading, dude. Are we gonna trade anymore? Or... Hey, streamer man! Are you gonna tell me your trade so I can click some buttons and I get free fucking money? Hey, streamer man, where's the fucking trades? What the fuck? Are we gonna fucking do the fucking thing where you give us the trades and I fucking copy the shit and I get the money? Or what the fuck am I here for? God! Or what? God, streamer man. Can you shut the fuck up and click the button, streamer man? I don't know, actually. We might trade. I don't know. Does that include the 10% split? Dude, I don't think AMP is taking 10% from me, brother. Oh, man. Soupy's not here, bro. I hope Soupy's okay. Soupy's not here. We haven't had the Soupy indicator all day. I haven't seen Soupy all day, man. It's kind of... AMP 50% split. Yeah, brother. Holy shit. Oh, my God. He faded himself and locked it up. Dude, he's probably up so much. You ever went for the 20 Apex accounts? Yes, I did. I passed them, and then I never activated them, and they're gone. So. Didn't you used to play a lot of Counter-Strike? Yes, too much. I actually had a coach. I know it's embarrassing. I had a coach I had a coach in Counter-Strike. That's how much I fucking love the game. I also have friends that were like big time pros, dude. Like they played in majors and shit. Hey Rips, I had a rough Globex as I hit the wrong button during the drop and I blew up my TPT accounts. One funded. On a good note, I got 4 payouts, but you gave me some advice last week and today I'm rebuilding. Have 3 TPT evals at max daily today. Thanks for what you do. Encourages us to be a little better every day. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. I was great, bro. I was ass though. Brother, I was ass. I would get yelled at. I think it was Global Elite is the top one. I would get fucking yelled at, bro. I would get yelled at by the other people because I would just go pubs, right? If I went pubs in Global Elite when it was still Counter-Strike Source or whatever the fucking one was before 2. I know who Donk is, yeah. Donk is legit. But yeah, bro, if I would go pubs, single pubs, I literally would fucking, I'm not joking, I would get yelled at. Number 1, because of my inventory. Number 2, because I was fucking AIDS. I was terrible, bro. I had no business being Global Elite. Yeah, Nothing's my friend. Jordan Nothing Gilbert, he's my friend. He's my homie. He's from San Diego. He's my dog. Passed my 50K tops of eval today and secured my first 150 profit day. Max XFA, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Yeah, CSGO, or CS Source. CS Source. Wasn't it CSGO Source? I was not an opper, no. I was an assaulter. What do you call those? Like the front dude? Not the opper, but the guy who leads in. I played CS 1.2. Rusher? Entry. Thank you, entry. I played entry. I was fucking terrible, dude. I was terrible. I was no good. Yeah, I know. CS2, dude, my friends all still play, right? My friends all still play. And like a lot of them are ex-pros, right? Because they're too old to be pros now. But, you know, is what it is, baby. Can you be too old to play poker? No, definitely not. The fuck is CS? Dude, if you want to see me get, dude, I guarantee, I'm guessing like if I played Counter-Strike 2, I don't even know what the rankings are now. Do they have like bronze and shit? No, dude, my spray control was sick. I had good spray control with the M4 and the AK. I have a Fire Serpent still, I think. I had an M4 Howl, which was like the lowest float one ever. Second lowest float one ever. It was fucking insane. By the way, we are playing nice against the VWAP. Real nice against the VWAP. No, but dude, I was fucking, I will never pretend like I was good at CS. I was fucking AIDS. I would get yelled at all the time. Whether it's my friends, like, dude, my friends would crash out on me all the time. Like, dude, my friends were very, 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 very good. Like, the best. Literally, some of them world champions. They would fucking rage on me. And I didn't care. I don't fucking care. Like, who cares a fuck? I had fun. I was having fun. Sometimes I would get so sick of their raging on me, I may have partaked in something called the Devil's Lettuce. Imagine Ripsy on the Devil's Lettuce playing CS and just being a fucking troll the whole time. Dude, the fucking comms that I would do. Dude, like one of my friends literally like, I think I got booted from a lobby because he's like, will you just shut the fuck up? Because they're losing and I was just sitting there like talking shit. So funny. So fucking funny. What else are you gonna do during COVID? What car was that on the track, Rips? It was a 296 Challenge with only 1,000 miles on it. Brand new car. 296 Challenge. It's the race car. No traction control. No automatic gearbox. It's the race car. Yeah, you don't even want to know what I used to be like with the lettuce, trolling, yapping. Very fucking annoying to my friends. Nice to drive. Dude, fucking I love that car. Literally love that car. The 296 Challenge. So much fun. One of my favorite cars that I've driven, to be honest. Like, I almost bought a McLaren race car. That car shits all over it. The 296 Challenge is so well balanced. It's fucking incredible. It's a beautiful, beautiful car.